Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity and challenges. It is a key skill that enables us to cope with stress, overcome obstacles, and move forward in the face of difficulties. Resilience is important for our overall well-being, and it can be developed and strengthened through practice. To develop resilience, the first step is to understand the causes of stress and adversity in your life. Identify the things that are causing you stress, whether it be work, relationships, or personal issues. Once you have identified these stressors, you can start to develop strategies to manage them. One effective strategy is to practice good self-care. This includes things like getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet, and engaging in regular exercise. Self-care is essential for maintaining physical and emotional well-being, and it will help you to cope with stress more effectively. Another important strategy is to build a support network. Surround yourself with people who you trust and who can support you in times of stress. This can include friends, family, colleagues, or a therapist. It's also important to learn how to manage your thoughts and emotions. Practice mindfulness techniques such as meditation and deep breathing to help you stay calm and focused in the face of stress. Additionally, try to focus on the positive aspects of a situation and look for opportunities for growth and learning. Another key aspect of resilience is to have a sense of purpose and meaning in life. Engage in activities that you enjoy and that give you a sense of fulfillment. This can be anything from volunteering, to pursuing a hobby, to spending time with loved ones. Finally, practice flexibility and adaptability. Be open to change and new experiences, and be willing to adapt to new circumstances. Learn to let go of things that you cannot change, and focus on what you can change. By following these strategies and making a consistent effort to build resilience, you can become more resilient and better equipped to handle the stresses and challenges of life. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your journey to becoming more resilient.